Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some definitions of the topic mensuration. So, let us start. First point, rectilinear figure. What is rectilinear figure? A figure made of line segments is called a rectilinear figure. For example, rectangle. This figure is called rectilinear figure because this figure made up of line segment. Here line segment A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. So this is called rectilinear figure. Next example, a square. This is rectilinear figure because this figure made up of line segments. Here line segment AB, BC, CD and DA. Is it clear? मीन्स ऐसा फिगर जो लाइन सेगमेंट से बना हुआ हो उसे हम रेक्टिलिनियर फिगर कहते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट डिफाइन क्लोज्ड फिगर. व्हाट इज क्लोज्ड फिगर? A rectilinear figure having no free ends is called a closed figure. Here there are two figures here. Which figures is called closed figure? The figure first is called closed figure because this figure having no free ends. What here? Free hands. So this is not closed figure. Is it clear? Now let us discuss next define. Next define simple figure. What is simple figure? A rectilinear figure is said to be simple if no two sides of it intersect except at a common end point. See in figure first, start at point A, draw this figure and lastly we meet point A. Not intersect except A. So this is called simple figure. And second is not called simple figure because here intersect at a point C and also any point A we start whenever start A. Draw this figure A and then after and lastly we met A. So there are two intersection point here. So this figure is not called simple figure. Is it clear? Now let us discuss next define. Next define perimeter. What is perimeter? The perimeter of a plane figure is the length of its boundary. Take a figure A, B, C, D. The perimeter, the length of its boundary. The length of its boundary is called perimeter. The unit of perimeter is the same of unit of length. Unit of length meter, centimeter, decimeter. So same unit of perimeter. Is it clear? Now let us discuss next point. Next define interior. What is interior? The part of the plane enclosed by a plane figure is called its interior. So this is plane figure or enclosed by area this. So this area is called, this part is called interior. Is it clear? Now let us discuss next define. Next define region enclosed by a plane figure. What is region enclosed by a plane figure? A plane figure together with its interior is called the region enclosed by the plane figure. Here take a figure A, B, C, D. This plane figure together with interior. This is called region enclosed by plane figure. For example, this figure is rectangle. So this region is called rectangular region. Is it clear? Now let us discuss next define. Next define area. What is area? The measurement of the region enclosed by a plane figure is called its area. For example, here take a rectangle. This is interior of rectangle. The plane figure together with interior is called rectangular region. The measurement of rectangular region is called area. Is it clear? And the units of area is a square meter, a square centimeter, etc. Is it clear? Now let us understand conversion of units. Conversion of units, first we take basic unit. Your basic unit is meter, liter and gram. Is it clear? Here write first kilo denoted by a small k. Next hecto denoted by a small h. Next deca denoted by da. And after basic unit write the unit deci denoted by a small d. Centi denoted by a small c. And last milli denoted by a small m. Is it clear? Here remember, when we go through left to right, we multiply by 10. Kilo to hecto, so we multiply by 10. Again hecto to deca, multiply by 10. Deca to basic unit means deca means meter, liter, gram. So we multiply by 10. Again basic unit to deci, multiply by 10. Deci to centi, multiply by 10. And centi to milli, multiply by 10. When we go through right to left, we divided by 10. Centi to deci divided by 10. Deci to basic unit divided by 10. Basic unit to deca divided by 10. Deca to hecto divided by 10. Hecto to kilo divided by 10. All students remember this chart. Is it clear? Here use this concept in question. For example, here 1 meter is equal to blank centimeter. So where meter? Here basic unit meter. Go through centimeter. The centimeter right side means left to right. How many steps? Basic to deci first, deci to centi. So there are 2 steps. Go through basic to centi. So we multiply 10 into 10, 100. Is it clear? Next, we take 1 hectometer is equal to blanks meter. Where is hectometer? Here. And meter. Hecto here, basic unit, here meter. Go through 1 step, 2 step. Means multiply by 10 into 10, 100. Here go through left to right, we multiply 10 into 10, 100. Next example, 1 decameter is equal to blanks kilometer. Here we go through decameter to kilometer. Here deca go through right to left. How many steps? 1 and 2. So divided by 10, again 10. So we divided by 100. Means 1 decameter is equal to 1 upon 100 kilometer. In other language we write 0.01 kilometer. In other language we write 10 power of minus 2 kilometer. Is it clear? Take other example, 1 millimeter is equal to blank centimeter. Where is millimeter? Here. Centimeter means go through right to left 1 step only. So we write answer 1 by 10. Division here, so write 1 by 10. In other language write 0.1 centimeter. In other language 10 power of minus 1 centimeter. Is it clear? So all student practice with the help of this chart. How many deci to 1 decameter, how many 1 centimeter is equal to 1 hectometer. Practice at home. And other two unit, remember 1 R. 1 R. Remember always 1 R is equal to 100 a square meter. 1 R is equal to 100 a square meter. And other one or unit 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 a square meter. Remember both point. 1 R is equal to 100 a square meter. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 a square meter. Remember this unit conversion. Is it clear? Now let us discuss some formula. In formula, first we discuss the figure rectangle. Draw a figure of rectangle. Name A, B, C, D, which length is L and breadth B and diagonal B a small d. Is it clear? So here let a rectangle A, B, C, D with length L units, breadth B units, and diagonal D units. To your first formula, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. In short form, A is equal to L into B. Here use the conversion. Find out L is equal to A by B, means area upon breadth, and breadth is equal to area upon length. Is it clear? Second formula of rectangle. Second formula, diagonal of a rectangle is equal to a square root length का स्क्वायर प्लस ब्रेथ का स्क्वायर. We read this type. Diagonal of a rectangle is equal to a square root, a square of length plus a square of breadth. In short form, D is equal to a square root L square plus B square. Here find the conversion. L is equal to a square root D square minus B square, and B means breadth is equal to a square root D square minus L square. We find both formula, conversion of this formula. Is it clear? Third formula of rectangle. Third formula, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter generally denoted by P into L plus B. In short form, Find here conversion. L is equal to P by 2 means perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Breadth is equal to perimeter by 2 minus length. Is it clear? Now let us discuss second figure, a square. Next figure, a square. First we take a square A, B, C, D, each of whose sides be A. All sides of squares are equal to A, and diagonal denoted by a small d. So let a square A, B, C, D and each side of a square A units. Each side of a square A units and diagonals D units. First formula of a square. Area of a square is equal to side square. Side means one side. Area denoted by capital A is equal to side here a square. Here conversion we find side is equal to under root area. Is it clear? Now let us discuss second formula. Second formula, diagonal of a square is equal to root 2 into side. Side means each side means one side here. Take diagonal of a square is equal to root 2 into side. In short form write d is equal to root 2a. The write a is equal to d upon root 2 means side is equal to diagonal upon root 2. Is it clear? Now let us discuss third formula of a square. Third formula of a square, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Side means each side here. Perimeter denoted by P into 4. Side denoted by here a small a. The right with conversion a is equal to P upon 4 means side is equal to perimeter upon 4. Is it clear? Now let us discuss next formula. Fourth formula of a square, area of a square with respect to diagonal, half into diagonal a square means a square of diagonal here. Area of a square is equal to half into a square of diagonal. In short form write a is equal to half into diagonal d denoted a square. Area is equal to half into a square d. So here conversion we write d is equal to a square root 2 into area. Is it clear? Now let us discuss formula of next figure. In next figure we take a room. Generally shape of room is cuboid. So this type take a room. Name the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here let a room with length L units, breadth, B units, and height, H units. Here length, this breadth denoted this, and this is height. So first formula, area of four walls of a room is equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. 2 into length plus breadth into height, a square unit. Area of four walls of a room is equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height, a square units. Second formula, diagonal of a room is equal to under root length square plus breadth square plus height square, units. Diagonal of a room is equal to root under a square length plus a square breadth plus a square height, units. Is it clear? Now let us discuss some questions to related the topic mensuration. Here I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 20A of the topic mensuration. So let us start question number 1. In question number 1, find the area of rectangle whose length 12.5 meter and breadth is equal to 8 decimeter. Always you solve the problems of mensuration. First of all, we draw a figure. So here, name the figure rectangle. So first of all, we draw rectangle. Name rectangle A, B, C, D, whose length is equal to 12.5 meter. This is length and that is called breadth. And breadth given 8 decimeter. 8 decimeter. Find the area of rectangle. We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here length 12.5 meter and breadth 8 decimeter. Always unit will be same. Always you will convert, unit will be same. Here unit meter and here decimeter. The decimeter convert to meter. The deci to meter means right to left, one step. So we divided by 10 and convert into meter means 12.5 meter into 8 upon 10. Convert into meter. Remove here decimal. Here write 10. 5 2 ja 10. 25 5 ja 125. 5 5 ja 25. 5 2 ja 10. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. Remaining here 5 2 ja 10 meter and meter, a square meter. So this is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, find the area of a rectangular plot, one side of which is 48 meter and its diagonal is 50 meter. Here given rectangular plot means draw a rectangle. A, B, C, D. Here given one side of which is 48 meter. one side means either length or breadth. So here we take length is equal to 48 meter and breadth is not given here, and diagonal also given. Diagonal is equal to 50 meter. Is it clear? So just we write diagonal is equal to root under L square plus B square, and conversion right here breadth is equal to means here breadth of a rectangular plot is equal to root under diagonal square minus length square. Here diagonal given 50, length given 48, a square of 48, root under a square of 50, we get 2500, and a square of 48, 2304, a square root 2500 minus 2304, we get 196, a square of 196, 14 meter, because all data given here meter. So here find the area of rectangular plot. The area of rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. Here length 48 into breadth 14. So here multiply 14 8 ja 112. Write 2, carry 11. 14 4 ja 56 or plus 11 67, a square meter. This is your required answer. Again repeat. Breadth of rectangle. Here just 2 minutes before write formula. Diagonal is equal to a square root length square plus breadth square, and after conversion we find breadth is equal to a square root diagonal square minus length square. Use this formula and find the breadth, and area of rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth, and multiply both, we find 672 a square meter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 20A with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.